Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. By the name Acheng Elizabeth. I've come to present to you about Google Translate. For the beginners who don't know how to use Google Translate, you open your Google Chrome, then you find this. When you have signed in your Google account, you find some 3-4 dots here, you click on it, then you find the Google Apps. So you look for Google Translate, which is this one, then you click on it. So in Google Translate we have detect language, then you can change the language of the word you want and of the verb. Then for example, I want to text here food, then I want it to be translated to Spanish, and you can see it will be what? Translated, as you can see it here. It is alimento. Then maybe you come and text something else like cloth. You can see it has changed from here. That is how they call it Spanish. If you want to change it from here, you can change to any language like the Chulo and see it Kitcom. So that is about how to text. And then if you want to put images, you look for an image, like you drag it from your PC, you double click on it to drag, or you browse it from here, browse from your files, come and look it from your files. We have pics here, so I can pick this one, maybe this one. Then I put it here and it's being translated. Maybe you should translate to Spanish. So this is what is translated in Spanish, or in Arabic. You see it's going to be translated in Arabic also. And it had detected that you see, that is it. So if you want to translate a document, you come to document, you come and browse it from your files. So let us say I want to change this one, this file, then we pick it, we drag it. So should you translate? You translate to Spanish, then it is in English. So you're waiting for it to translate. So the document will all be what? Translated to the language you want. But this document is too large, so it's too large for it to be translated. Then if you want to translate from a website, for example, you have a website somewhere, you type on that website, then you translate it. And if you want to re-exchange, you send the link, then they will translate for you. But this website doesn't work, doesn't exist. But if you have a website, you can translate it to the language you want, even the document, even the text, even the language. And then you can come to setting here, you can make it normal, slow, or slower. Then if you come here, you get other more what? Google apps. So you can translate any of the documents, and you can also share it with people you want to share to. For example, let us come to text. We text something here. Example, come. So we want it to be in a low, and then we can copy the translate. You can tell the Google that this translate app is good or it's not good, for them to improve on it. Those are the suggestions. You can share this translated thing to a friend. You can share to Gmail or to any app that you want to share to, and you can even save it from here. You save your work. You can sign in first if you have not signed in Google Translate, then it will allow you to save. Thank you for following my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hi, we meet again.